Hi friends, let's do an activity by using has, have and had or choose the correct answer. Has and have are used in the present tense and had is used in the past tense. We use has with he, she, it or singular noun and have with I, we, you, do and plural noun. Or had is used for the past tense. Number 1. A cat dash a furry tail. It is about the present tense and a cat is a singular noun, so we use here has. Number 2. Ali dash had fever yesterday. Yesterday shows that it was about the past, so we use here had. Number 3. I dash a pizza and a Pepsi for lunch yesterday. Here is also yesterday, it shows about the past, so we use here had. Number 4. Mavish dash a new video game. She does not show it to anyone. Does not shows about the present tense, so we use here has. Number 5. He dash one sister. Her name is Rania. In this, Rania is a girl and it shows about the present tense because there is a helping verb is, so we use here has. Number 6. Sarah dash a doll. In this, Sarah has a doll because Sarah is a singular noun. Number 7. Girls dash colorful dresses for party. And this girl is a plural noun, so we use here have. Thanks for watching.